Hello children, welcome back. Today we will learn English Unit 4, Lesson number 4.2, Activity Time. Now let's read the conversation between teacher and children. What is the meaning of conversation? Conversation means when two or more persons are talking together. Let's start reading. As I am reading, you all will read along with me. Teacher, good morning children. Children, good morning teacher. Now tell me children, what you do when teacher enters in your class? You wish her by saying good morning, good afternoon or good evening. So here the children are wishing the teacher by saying good morning. Now let's read the next dialogue. Teacher, I am excited today, aren't you? Children, yay, we are excited too. So here we can see that children are excited for something. Now teacher asks why. Children, we are going to make Kari Panna today. Yummy! Kari Panna is a cool drink made from raw mangoes. Teacher, have you brought everything we need? I will read out the list. Children, yes teacher. Now let's read the thing which we will need to make Kari Panna. Teacher, we need boiled raw mango pulp. Child, teacher, I have brought it. Teacher, a cup of grated jaggery. Child, I have brought it, teacher. Teacher, a spoonful of black salt. Thanks, Rohan. A pinch of cumin powder. Thank you, Sonali. Now tell me the things which are needed to make Kari Panna. A raw mango pulp, a cup of grated jaggery, a spoonful of black salt and a pinch of cumin powder. Teacher, now let's prepare our favorite summer cooler. First, take a big jar. Second, fill it with chilled water. First, what we have to take? We have to take a big jar. Then, we have to fill it with chilled water. Third, add some raw mango pulp and mix it well. Fourth, add a cup of grated jaggery and stir it well. Now what we have to add? We have to add a cup of grated jaggery and stir it well. We also call jaggery as good. Fifth, add a spoonful of black salt. Then what we have to add? We have to add a spoonful of black salt. Sixth one, add a pinch of cumin powder. Then what we have to add? We have to add a pinch of cumin powder. Seventh, stir it well one more time. Then you have to stir it well one more time. 8. Keep the glasses ready in a tray. 9th one, pour it in, serve and drink it up. Isn't it yummy? Now, Kari Panna is ready. You can try and make this amazing summer cooler, Kari Panna, at home and enjoy it. Now, complete the steps for making the summer drink. Let's read the first question. Take a big jar and fill it with cold dash. Children, what will be the answer? Take a big jar and fill it with cold water. Let's read the second sentence. Add some raw dash to it. What will be the correct answer? Add some raw mango pulp to it. Third question. Add a cup of grated dash. Then what will be the correct answer? Add a cup of grated jaggery. Fourth question. Add a spoonful of dash and a pinch of dash powder. So what will be the correct answer? Add a spoonful of black salt and a pinch of cumin powder. Fifth step, stir it well. Now let's read some new words. First word is Kari Panha. Kairreepanha. Kari Panha. Second word mango pulp. MANGOPULP. Mango pulp. Third word grated. 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 Fourth word jaggery. 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 Next word cumin. 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 Next word is chilled. 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 Last word glasses. 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 Children, did you understand this lesson? Practice this at home. Thank you.